getting beat by your friends in races? Do you even know why? Well, I know you guys are already familiar with the gear shift and what side it's on and how it shifts, but you guys even know the placement of the gears? Do you want to go into higher and faster gears to beat your friends? Let me teach you how. How about you guys study this diagram we made? Okay guys, since you studied this diagram, how about you get on the dirt bike and get it started? Okay, now get in the first gear. Okay, now shift up. You need to hold in the clutch, put your foot under the gear shift, and pop it up with your foot as much as you can. Okay, now, I'm set up a course for you, as you guys can see. For every rock he goes by, he needs to shift up one gear. So how about you give it a try?
Was that it?
No, you need to shift up every time you go by one of the rocks. You need to shift up one time. How about you do it again?
Was that it?
Well, what gear do you think you're in?
First?
Well, you need to be in third gear when you get back here. Remember, you went by the first rock and shifted up the second, but when you went by the last rock, you went right back down the first. So, listen to me this time. Every time you go by a rock, shift up one gear. So you should be in third by the time you get back here.
Was that it?
Yes, that was perfect. Thank you for watching section 7 of How to Ride a Dirt Bike.
Time to take this trail.
Whoa, not quite.
Where'd you come from?
Well, that doesn't matter right now. I'm just trying to teach you how to ride on trail.